Hello friends! Today, we're going to explore how to use the self-timer function on the Nikon Z50 camera. Here are several examples of photos taken with the Nikon Z50. But even with the most ideal settings, photos can turn out blurry or unclear if the camera moves during shooting. That's why it's sometimes crucial to use the timer. It helps avoid camera shake caused by pressing the shutter button. When you use the timer, the camera has some time before the shutter activates, allowing it to settle and stabilize. The result? Clear, high-quality shots, even if shooting without stabilization or outdoors, where you're exposed to wind or other factors that disrupt stable shooting. To use the self-timer on the Nikon Z50, first, you need to go into the camera menu by pressing the menu button. Then, select the Custom Setting menu, find the Timer's AE Lock submenu, and choose Self-Timer option. Here you can choose the delay time before shooting. Typically, options include 2, 5, 10, or 20 seconds. Choose the time you need, interval of delay, and the number of shots. Now you can set the camera on a tripod or hold it steady, press the shutter button manually, or using your smartphone, and get into the frame. And there you have it, a simple way to use the self-timer function on the Nikon Z50.